Hey guys, it's Nathan Banks, and today we're gonna do a mukbang. So y'all about to see me eat some good food. I got my Subway, my chicken cutlet or oven roasted sandwich right here with mayo and Southwest sauce. I also got my bowl right here from Chipotle with all my good fixings in it. And I got some Valentine's Day donuts in here. So I'm gonna just share the first bite with all y'all, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. This is so good. Okay. Now the Chipotle. And it's a little quick video for y'all because you know I haven't really been posting lately. Now that I got back to school and all. But you know, I try to keep y'all entertained. Because all I do is go to class. I should do a video of me in the day of Nathan, what I do. And look at this. Amazing. I don't want to eat that just yet. I want to eat some Subway. Let me show y'all this sandwich. I like to get this flatbread. I know I sound like a fat person right now, but I don't care because I'm hungry. This man did my sandwich so fucking dirty. Look. It's supposed to be in half. People can't do shit. But it's still good though. It is still good. Y'all see that? So good. Alright. With my fork, I'm gonna dive into the Chipotle. That's it. I wish there was more sour cream, but so good. Bowls are so messy because you know you gotta mix this shit up and make sure everything's even, but you know I always get it right. Just know I'm fat at heart. We got a piece of meat right there. It's a little cold. You know, I like my food hot. And we're gonna top it off with a bite of a donut. Yeah. It's so goddamn good. Alright, so y'all, I'm gonna sign out now. I just want to do a little video checking on my YouTube subscribers and all that shit. I'm about to watch a movie, get some psychology homework done, because you know I'm a college student. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.
We don't need nobody watching us. No one.